In today's video, I'll teach you how to crochet a beautiful flower like this one. So first of all, we start with a slip knot. You adjust the loop of the slip knot in your crochet hook, like this, and we make 6 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 chains. We will close these chains in order to form a ring with 1 slip stitch, like this. You insert the crochet hook in the first chain, like this, in order to form a ring. And we close it with 1 slip stitch. You see that we formed a ring. So all the stitches that we are going to crochet to make this beautiful flower are going to be crocheted inside the ring, okay? So we make 1 single crochet inside the ring, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 chains, and we make 3 treble crochets. 1, 2, 3 treble crochets. Now we make 3 chains again. So 1, 2, 3 chains, and close these chains with 1 slip stitch inside the ring. You see that here we formed 1 petal of the flower. So this is what we should do to create all 5 petals of the flower. Okay? Since the ring is quite small and the goal is it to be small, every time I finish a petal, I bring the stitches closer with my hands, because you see that here they can be quite separated, one from each other. So what we will do is, with the help, let me leave the crochet hook, with the help of your fingers, I'm right-handed as you can see, so I just try to bring them closer, and it will create more space in the ring to crochet the other petals, okay? So now we will make 1 single crochet, and repeat the sequence. 1, 2, 3 chains, 3 treble crochets, this was the first one, second, third, 1, 2, 3 chains, and slip stitch inside the ring. You see how important it is for us to keep bringing the stitches together? Here is a very, very good example. You can see how the stitches are apart from each other. We bring them closer together with the help of our fingers. And this is the second petal. I will keep crocheting the other petals and I will come back to finish it off with you. So I repeated the sequence to create the 5 petals, and here I have the chains. I will do the last part with you. So I crocheted the petal, made 3 chains, and now slip stitch inside the ring, and this is the last stitch. Super cute, right? Now we leave the crochet hook aside. You cut a long piece of thread, and we will need a tapestry needle to fasten it off. You see that the remaining thread is here in the front of the flower. So first of all, we pull this thread like this, and we need to put that in the back of the flower to fasten off. So you see that the yarn is here, we pass it to the back. And the way that I fasten it off is quite simple. I simply pass the tapestry needle in a couple of stitches in the back, like this. Pull the yarn. We can grab any loop in the back to tie a knot. You see, I'm forming a small knot here. And again, I pass it below a couple of stitches to hide this knot. And you can cut this remaining thread too. And there you have it, our beautiful crochet flower. I really hope you liked this tutorial. Remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new tutorials, tips and tricks that I bring here every week.